Hello, Rich Ragle here from Sea Ray. I'm here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show on Dock GH, here at the Sea Ray display. It is an exciting day here at Fort Lauderdale. You can see our booth is packed, but let's take a walk through. Let's smile at the ladies at Sea Ray that'll greet you. Come on through. As you can see, we got a wide range of Sea Rays to show you here, from 25 feet all the way up to 40 feet. We've got our SDX line in a 250, a 270, and a 290. We've got our beautiful Sundancer 320. The most exciting thing that I think we have here is our all-new Sundancer 370 outboard. This has been an amazing boat that's been about 4 years into the making. This is the new design language from Sea Ray. Right next to me, I got Carrie. Carrie was one of the lead designers in this boat. So our naval architects and our engineers make sure it's a great boat. Carrie makes sure that it's appealing to everybody, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So, Carrie, tell me what you think is the most beautiful part about this boat you put together.
Oh, can I say all of it?
You can.
No, I think the best part about this boat is that it's a completely new, modern interpretation of the brand, but it stays true to all of just the classic heritage and all of the things that have always traditionally made Sea Ray a Sea Ray.
Awesome. Well, you did a great job with it. We actually sold boat number 1 yesterday, so it's kind of like letting the fledgling leave the nest. It was an emotional moment last night, but you can see inside this boat, it is just massive. You can see some of our folks, Steve and Vanessa there. You can see all the massive headroom that you have. Also, we've got the SLX 400, so you know this boat is the Entertainer. We launched this boat about 5 years ago, but exciting this year, all new twin 600 horsepower Verados. So that now takes the Entertainer to just over 60 miles an hour. And who doesn't want to go fast on the water with 22 of your closest friends? As we work our way on through the booth, you can see tons and tons of people. This is really exciting. So over here on our left, this is where people are making great decisions to make their summer better. The folks in here right now are buying new Sea Rays, and right now they're buying the opportunity to get out on the water as soon as possible. So don't waste time. We all know that supply is somewhat limited. Here we have our owner's lounge. So if you own a Sea Ray, come in, check in at our front desk, and we're going to greet you. We're going to give you a special lanyard. We're going to give you some nice champagne, some cold water, and some snacks. And the beautiful girls from Southern California would love to welcome you into our owner's lounge. The other nice thing about our owner's lounge is it's shaded and it's fans, and as you can see, these folks here, Sea Ray owners with their Sea Ray badges and enjoying a little bit of the shade today. Also in the display, we've got a really cool technology center this year. So one of the things that we want to do is make sure that technology is integrated into our vessels from the start. So we partner with companies like Simrad and Fusion and First Mate to make sure that you've got all of the creature comforts that you want at the helm. So here within our technology center, you can actually come online and you can build a boat. So just simple with a touch screen, it'll go right to all of our configurator, build the boat of your choice right here, grab your closest sales guy and make sure that you get a slot for the summer. And then here we've got our remote helm. So on this helm here, this is the exact helm that's on the SLX 400. So if you want to come in and learn more about our Simrad systems, if you want to play with the NaviOps system, which is digital switching, and control all of the boats, this will simulate all of the functions right on the boat, but in the shade and in the air conditioning. Also, you'll see here our wearables. So this is our First Mate system. So this is going to be our man overboard system, as well as the ability to geofence. So great new technology within the boat. So we always want to make boating easy. One of the hallmarks of Sea Ray is effortless performance. And with effortless performance, that means everything's at your fingertips where you need it. So again, I'm Rich Ragle with Sea Ray Boats. I'm here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show on Dock GH. We'll be here through Sunday. We'd love for you to come by and say hi.